Şu an Kibera'nın girişindeyiz. Kibera, Doğu Afrika'nın ve Nairobi'nin en büyük gecekondu mahallelerinden bir tanesi. Yaklaşık 1,5 milyon insan yaşandığı söyleniyor. Buranın ana sıkıntılarından bir tanesi sağlık sorunları. HIV virüs taşıyan insan çok fazla, aynı zamanda AIDS hastalığına kapmış insanlar çok fazla. Temiz suya ulaşılmıyor, elektriğe ulaşılmıyor, eğitim ihtiyaçları giderilmiyor insanların ve inanılmaz bir fakirlik var. Suç oranı da çok fazla yüksek. En fazla işlenen suçların da tecavüz ve gasp olduğu söyleniliyor. Birazdan keşfe çıkacağız bu bölgeyi. Buradaki yapılan her şey, yani çoğu bir kısmı hariç kemiklerden yapılıyor, hayvan kemiklerinden. Bayağı ilginç geldi bana açıkçası.
I'm Rosemary. I'm the secretary of the women group. We are 15 in number. We came together the year 2004. At first we met at the clinic called Lea Toto. Lea Toto is a clinic which gives medication to children who are HIV positive. So when we met there as mothers, and we decided to form a group because by the time we were starting, there was a lot of stigma and discrimination in the community. So we came together so that we can create awareness in the community to understand better what HIV is and how you can be infected. So after creating awareness, we decided to start a business because we realized government and non-governmental organizations, they are able to access for us medication which we are getting free. This we are getting free. So we decided to start a business because we realized through our sales a lady will be able to pay rent, because among us we also have widows, and to pay rent, to buy food for our children, put on the table, and also to give our children better education. Apart from what we are doing here, we also have a baby care, where parents who are at work bring their babies in the daycare, and we are the one taking care of them. At the end of the day, they pick them back home.
Hop. Topunu istedim.
Yeah, but you say here, if you say that name here, you say it very quietly, yeah?
Yeah? Why? Because?
They don't like him?
Yeah.
Why? Because of corruption or?
Just a lot of issues, you know. Corruption. People disappearing mysteriously.
So there's that kind of style thing is going on, like this of the dictatorship type of thing.
Exactly. Yeah. So she's saying that she's waiting for you, so you go and come back. Huh?
Okay.
Well,
You'll come back
bye-bye.
along.
So we are here at the bio center. Yeah, we get recycled poop. Yeah, and it's not animal shit. It's human waste. So it's kind of similar to the same way you can use animal waste. It's the same way you can use human waste. Yeah. So what we have is that we have bathrooms and toilets, both for the gents and the ladies, in different directions. Yeah. And underneath the whole structure, we have a septic tank, whereby the poop is going to be channeled. Yeah. And during that, then there is this process called fermentation that is going to take place. Yeah. So during that process is when the gas will produce, known as methane. And the methane gas will be channeled to a burner, which is right inside. Yeah. And it will be used to either boil water for bathing. If you want to take a warm or a hot shower, you can use it for that. Yeah. Or if you want to prepare meals, also you can do that. Yeah. So it's open to anyone and everyone. Yeah. And on the upper structure of the bio, we have a social hall whereby people can come and have parties, meetings, and also watch soccer, because we are very big. We love soccer a lot, So the other thing that it helps is that they have the water tank on the side for clean. Actually, it's for clean water, because it's easier for people to access water from one point, than to walk for long distances to go get water. So that's what the government came up with, to at least have water vendors in different areas to help them sell water to the people around the community on their behalf. So it's clean water for drinking, cooking, showering, you name it. So apart from this, we have like 10 others in different areas, because Kibera is very big, we can't only be having one. So the 10 has been spread in different directions, so that at least the other areas around the whole Kibera can enjoy the same kind of facility, At least to help them save some money, because it's cheaper doing your stuff from this point, than buying charcoal, or the prices for kerosene are half at the moment, So it's way affordable.
Yeah, I know.
Böyle bir yerde ister istemez insanın aklına fakirlik ve zenginlik kavramları geliyor. Fakirlik ve zenginlik kavramları geldiği zaman da bu alanın nasıl kullanıldığı, yoksulluğun ne ifade ettiği, insanların yokluk altında nasıl yaşadığı üzerine düşünmüş oluyoruz. Tabii bu yokluğun çeşitli sebepleri var. Bunların başında sömürgecilik geliyor. Ama ben şu an sömürgecilikten bahsetmek istemiyorum. Aslında Kenya halkından kimle konuşsak ortak ağızdan benzer bir şey söylüyorlar. Yolsuzluktan muzdaripler. Yolsuzluk olduğu zaman küçük yolsuzluklarda sadece hayatın akışında bir olumsuzluk ortaya çıkıyor. Ama söz konusu büyük yolsuzlukları olduğunda aslında liderler insanların hayatlarından çalmış oluyor. Yaşamlarından çalmış oluyor. Çünkü bir anlamda para dediğimiz şey vakit demek. Vakit dediğimiz şey hayatın kendisi. Burada tabii vakitin de üzerine çıkıyor ve yaşam koşullarını öyle bir hale getiriyor ki belki hastalıkla boğuşuyorsun, hayatından kısalmış oluyor. Çok da fazla sorun yaşamış oluyorsun. Buna dair iyi bir gözlem alanı sunuyor burası.
Je suis malinqué, ils t'ont dit que tu es embêté. Mon papa était un djoula, mais nous là, nous sommes ivoiriens. Nous sommes des malinqués, nous sommes nés des saccants, nous sommes nés des coups, nous sommes des séniteurs, nous sommes tous ivoiriens.
So I came to Nairobi with my family, and here employment is very high. Because you cannot get a job through what you know, you can only get a job through whom you know, because of the corruption. So I went to the slum through my friend, and I lived there with my family for the last 10 years now. I bought a wife and 5 children. We have got only 2 groups of people, the poorest and the rich. You don't have the...
There's no middle class.
There's no middle class. Yeah.
That's an issue all around the world, but more so here in Kenya, I think.
Yeah, Kenya is the 3rd country in the world with the corruption. Yeah, the first one was South Africa. Then we have Zimbabwe. Then Kenya. Most of the corrupted people in Africa.
3rd highest corruption.
Yes.
That is crazy, man. I hope things get better over here.
Yeah, we are hoping to.
Ils t'ont dit que tu es un chrétien. Nos ancêtres